Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jose here, back with another video. Today's video, I'm just gonna go ahead and take you guys with me to work. I'm not too sure what we're gonna be doing, but we'll see when we get there. It's currently 7:19. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I got my lunch right there, my camera bag, water bottle. This morning I'm gonna have some water and a protein shake. Start off my day, but I'll go ahead and pick up the camera once we get to the job site. See you guys there. At work, our boss told us to wait on him, so right now we have some extra time, so we're gonna wash the hopper that we spray texture with. Show you guys how to do that. The texture is like all dried up, so let me show you. Here we are, guys. We're just going to work. Look at the view we got living here in Colorado. It's beautiful. Y con el compa JC. Yeah, look at the mountains. It's beautiful. Alright guys, so we are all finished with this job. We're gonna go ahead and do the back tomorrow. But here's what it's looking like. Got my boy JC, leaf blowing all of that. We also replaced the ones in the bottom because they were all rotten. And then, so yeah, that's what we did today. I'll pick it up once I get home. Alright guys, so I'm just getting ready for the gym. It is currently 8:11. I'm gonna go ahead and drink my pre-workout and yeah, get everything started. Alright guys, so I got my cup here, 8 ounces of water. I'm gonna go ahead and put some endo pump just to go ahead and give me a pump. Full scoop. After that, go ahead and put some Flight. You already know the deal. Full scoop of that. I started off with half a scoop, then I worked my way up to a full scoop of pre-workout. I just wasn't I never drank a lot of caffeine, but then after this, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my creatine. Oh, a full scoop of that. Right there. Get that in. And then after I'm done drinking that, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the shaker cup again with 18 ounces of water, and I'm gonna put in a Flight. This is just to go ahead and keep me refreshed during my workout. But see you guys at the gym.